Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we do another how to make money online video, and today we are talking about how you can make money testing software for different companies on UTest. So UTest is the website that you are tackling today. So now guys, my name is Judith. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe to this channel. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, personal development, motherhood, and just anything that will change your life for the better. If that is the kind of content you're looking for, just give me that subscription, okay? Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So now, different companies, whether it is Samsung, Techno, I don't know, new restaurants, when before they launch a product into the market, they want to make sure that it is working as per required, so that is working perfectly before the entire public is able to use it. So to be able to confirm that, they employ people to test their products. And UTest is now a community of testers. So different companies hire them to test products on their behalf before they are launched into the public. So that is what you will be doing, and then you'll earn money from it. How good? How interesting, right? So now, guys, if there is one thing that I tell people who work online, especially as freelance writers, right now, as we know, the freelance writing jobs are not easy to come by. Please just diversify. Yeah. Right now, please, you can try. I actually reviewed another website in my previous video, hivemicro.com, for different tasks, working on different tasks, and then you are paid. And then now we have this UTest for testing products and services. We also have, you can also become a VA, virtual assistant. You can become a transcriptionist. So just look for other ways of making money, just so that when one area dries, you are not like completely unable to sustain your life. Okay. So after subscribing, I'm hoping that you have already subscribed. So let us go to the laptop. So let us go to utest.com. That is the website that we are reviewing today, guys. So when you land here, you can read about them. They are the largest community of testers in the world. So earn money and learn new skills while helping world-class companies deliver amazing digital experience. And then now, to become a tester, you simply come here to join today, and then of course you'll sign up and start accessing those jobs. Let us learn more about this website. UTest is the home of the largest community of digital freelance software testers in the world, helping some of the most recognized and iconic brands to provide quality digital experiences to their customers. So like I said, you test software for different company products before they are launched into the world. So whether it is improving their testing skills in our academy, they also have an academy, this site, UTest, so that where they teach you how to go about this testing, how UTest works. So when you join UTest, you are unlocking a world of freelancing opportunities, and then earn money testing for brands you love. When companies like Uber need to ensure a new feature is ready before rolling it out globally, they utilize UTesters to validate that it works, looks, and performs as expected. Just like I said at the beginning of the video, this is what you'll be doing. So this is what companies do when they want to launch a new product. They first utilize UTesters to validate that it works, looks, and performs as expected. So the companies, they rely on your feedback to ensure that the products live up to the expectations of their customers. Okay, so ready to start testing. You click here to become a UTester. Let us learn more about it. So the first step, learn. Free training for all testers. So you don't need to worry whether you are a tech savvy, whether you are a newbie, whether you have never done this before. You will, there is training for you, helping testers learn how to test and then improve their testing skills. And then now you can start testing and get paid for all your projects, whether you are for all skill levels. So whether you are a beginner, advanced, there are jobs for you. And then you can also connect with a community of crowd testers. So these are they have over 1 million testers worldwide, guys. So that means wherever you are, you can join this amazing team. And then what else? Let us see frequently asked questions, because this is where most of your questions will be answered. How do testers earn money on UTest? So your payout is project based. So that means different projects have different payouts. So you'll be paid per project. For example, one project can be $40, another one can be $50. Depending on the complexity. UTest will invite you to testing projects that match your profile. You then review the tasks we ask you to complete and decide whether or not you want to participate. That's another good thing. So if you feel that a task is too complicated for you, you can just skip it. Each project will feature different tasks to complete. In the end, we will review your work and pay you for approved work. Payout details for each project are available for your review prior to accepting the project invitation. I hope that is clear. How are testers selected for the project? So our client set requirements for each testing project. Usually those are only tied to operating system specification. So it will depend whether you have iOS or an Android, depending on what the client is looking for, which means that as long as you have a device they are looking for and speak their language they request, you'll also be eligible to participate in the project. How exciting. So projects such as usability projects require specific target groups of testers. So yeah, that's it. And then another FAQ, what types of projects do testers work on? I'm sure this one you would love to know. So each and every project is unique. There are no boundaries or no limits. You can test everything. The majority of projects involve functional testing. Yeah, so like for example, if it is a fridge, you test the functionality of it, where testers use an app or website and look out for bugs and issues. Once you find a bug that's within the scope of the testing project, report it to us. For other projects like usability testing, we may ask for your opinion on a given test object. Some projects ask testers to go out into the real world, to test in a restaurant or store. So this means you have to be within the vicinity of the particular company or what. Yes. Because I have seen some projects that require you to be in specific areas or test GPS signals, loyalty programs. Yeah, this one, it needs you to be there physically. Do I need to have prior testing experience to join? This one you would also love to know. Absolutely not. Every individual is welcome at UTest, even if you do not seek to become a software testing professional. You can still participate in dozens of other projects where you absolutely do not need to have any software testing skills. That one is clear. Do I have to pay to register? I always tell people don't pay to start working. It doesn't make sense. So not at all. UTest is free, has always been free, will always be free. You are here to earn money. Exactly, not to lose it. So that is those are the FAQs. If you want to learn more about it, you can also Google, guys. When I tell you some of these things, just go to Google and type anything more about UTest, how to earn, anything that you want to know about a particular website or a particular project. You can always find all the information on Google, guys. So don't be lazy. And then let us look at some of the projects that are offered on this website. So like this one, yeah, $25 referral bonus, seeking testers with Norwegian bank accounts. You see, now this one is specific. If you don't have a Norwegian bank account, you cannot participate in this one. This is another one, Oppo, Xiaomi, Samsung, blah blah, need phone owners. Do I have I don't have any of these phones. Yeah, but if you have any of these phones, then you are needed for games app testing, multiple countries. So this one, wherever you are, you can apply to it. ID verification application testing, $40 referral bonus. Guys, you can see, unlike the other website I reviewed in my recent video, this one pays good money. This one pays good money. I highly recommend this one. Are you Korean? Get paid to take a selfie. Can you imagine? Can you imagine getting paid to take a selfie? Just taking a selfie? Would you like to improve your English language skills or know someone who would? Guys, please head over to UTest and sign up. I'm actually joining it today, and hopefully I will come back with a positive review. Like I said, I haven't tested it myself, but people have tested it. So I thought that I should run here to my YouTube subscribers and fill them in, okay, so that we can go ahead and test it together and then bring feedback. So I think that's it there is to know about this. What else? So testers are paid twice a month, yeah, through your choice of either PayPal or Payoneer, which is also good, because these are payment methods that are readily available, I think, almost everywhere, whichever is most convenient for you. So freelance testers earn money for submitting approved bugs and test cases. So this is what the projects entail: submitting approved bugs and test cases, completing usability surveys, and then referral bonuses to sign up new testers. Wow. So if I refer you as a new tester, I get a bonus. To further reward excellence, higher payouts are available depending on bug value and your current tester rating tier. So guys, that is what you'll be paid for. And then, like I mentioned, we have UTest Academy, where you can go and get knowledgeable about how to go about testing and then earn. So guys, I hope you can go ahead and do more research on this website and then go ahead and try it out, and then you can come and give me a comment and let me know how it went for you. So that's it about UTest, guys. I hope you can try it out. I haven't used it myself. Personally, I haven't used it, but I saw it. I saw people who were discussing it in one of the Facebook groups that I am in. And they were Kenyans, by the way. That means it accepts people from all over the world. Although they are just those jobs that are specific to different geographical areas, you can sign up wherever, whether you are, no matter where you are, as long as you can access PayPal or Payoneer, because those are their two payment methods. So I hope you can try out this. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have tried it. How was your experience? Or if you're going to try it, please let us know. Just let us talk. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to subscribe if you haven't, okay? See you in the next video. Bye.